General Otema Awany. General Otema Awany. Otema Awany is showing Lutela Mukanani wa ma campaign of Beru Dong. Yam Chon, I remember saying this. And until the hot time, I don't been watching. Check this video, Mati, but Luo TV CEO no Beru Tech Paul Wilfred. Check that video. One more time, I watching that video. Ni and itika mieto luenyi kum champion chana take lo paramati lo bachuli. And that is very true. Pula Karabir ka interfacing NGOs Madon, Kampala, and Gulu City, Kitgum Municipality, Lera City, Aberu ki CEOs, ki directors by NGOs Madon. Eto kai wachi gini the epitome of peki ma unu yele mera jui every year mi solving Oberu Shan. Kinera me chali bangay. Inu ni pero mutie chalo pero chalo when a girl child education when a nyom changi, that is poverty. Domestic violence, it is chan even tia kilune pengar mo kubuli chan when street kids menu wen chan chere kom gamu chalo wakubene is chan. So if the people don't have average capacity to spend, the marginal to propensity to spend and save a little, there will be criminality, there will be a lot of nonsense, there will be stupidity. And I give a very big credit, both Otema Awany. I mean, point my dear board general, Otema Awany in Guinea, for eating the thing on the nail. And we need to know this, there's a lot to be done in Lobachuli, because Tijo Mon, can you why Guinea, watching a man, any 1 year track and RM? So gain tier why I can't wear night teach. Pian one way I'm going how we're quitting that nonsense there one will win a year. Berumerka underrating one. Berumerka chan one capacity get media can I media and baby team Gimara ye. You be there talking all those nonsense. Maun logo. Ero real paladiro timer, tell me what you lucky. I mean point material. Jo mukene tie biro kan lo me Lutela mu biro lo Acholi un ko mu watch ngoma tie time mono Acholi temo Acholi kum pe watch but the trade war cham ki dwa wele ping and the rest of other things matiro time lo Acholi pengo impe kwan wheel chilling ni maditi wheels transit Scania mobe ngweje from Gulu a cher wa East African cause ngoma geo we to will jeme magulu ni chat direct international market instead of national market chi nenka price fluctuation yil dan mate. So la tela matika nenu chalo tamani kilok doge mati very unique. There's something good coming out from his mouth. Kapeti a bola dana bola daba ti general lu Gitanwe watch again. This is my second video on Otema Awany. There's something special with that general. Big respect la diet yego me salute pango cheka ye kunu bon moñ erno go an gara pamer be la moñ be na pe la moñ erno ka go bot salute burikam po me mata